Okay, problem number 10. I'd already started it and then I realized it wasn't recording, so I had to start again. I looked at the left and saw that it's not a square because 97 is not a square. So I moved the 97 to the other side by adding 97 to both sides, and now I'm to here. X squared plus 12x equals 99. I take half of the thing in front of the x, which is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6, and then I squared that 6 to get 36. I add 36 to the left, and whatsoever thou doest to the left side of thy equation, thou must also doest to the right, and I add 36 to the right. Okay. Then I'm going to factor the left. This is a PST. We completed a square. So x times 6 is 6x. 6x doubled is 12x. That's what makes it a square. We always go with the sign of the middle. So this is x plus 6 squared. If you fold it out, you would find that equals x squared plus 12x plus 36. We add 99 and 36 together and we get 135. So now we have a square equaling a number. We take the square root of the left, because taking the square root of a square just cancels. And we take the square root of the right, remembering to put plus or minus in front of it. Now some of you left your answer at 135, and I didn't give you full credit because you have not broken it down far enough. What goes into 135? Well, I know 5 does because it ends in 5. So 5 goes into 13 twice with a remainder of 3, which becomes 35. 5 goes into 35, 7. 27 is 3 times 9, and 9 is 3 times 3. So 135 is 5 times 3 times 3 times 3. What can I pull out? A 3, because I have a pair of them. And that leaves me with 5 times 3 inside. When I pull it out, it goes between the plus and minus and the square root sign. So pull out my 3. And 5 times 3 stays inside. That's 15. Okay, if you left it with 135, I count it off. Now I write my two baby equations. X plus 6 equals positive 3 on the square root of 15. And x plus 6 equals negative 3 on the square root of 15. I subtract the 6 and move it to the other side, and it goes in front of the plus or the minus. So now I have x equals negative 6 plus 3 on the square root of 15. And I know at least one of you tried to add the negative 6 and the 3. You cannot add those together. They are not like terms because that 3 is attached to the 15. And then down here I get negative 6 minus 3 on the square root of 15. Okay. You cannot add that negative 6 and that negative 3. They are not like terms. Okay. Now, make sure you have your packet out. We're going to start the next video on the next type of completing square problems that you have not seen.